This sewing machine forever changed the way you shop today. It's 1840 and you're at the general store. You saw a sign outside advertising, "For $1 down, $1 a week? Get a Singer sewing machine." Singer invented the concept that we now know as buy now, pay later. It divides purchases into small, equal installments. Usually, there's no interest, but sometimes a few fees. It allows many people to now buy products that were before unobtainable. Singer tripled sales in just 1 year, and soon furniture companies, piano makers, and farm manufacturers adopted the concept. Later, it was department stores like Sears and Macy's. Today, companies like Klarna and Affirm enable you to pay for virtually anything using buy now, pay later. It's crazy how the humble sewing machine kicked off a trend that has forever changed the way people shop today.